We deal with a variety of international markets at our hotel. The Irish market is definitely a consistent, strong market for us, and it's been growing year after year. The word of the Irish consumers feeling that they're staying with New Yorkers rather than staying in a touristy type hotel has increased our Irish business over the past 10 years by double. The Irish consumer originally thought we were too far uptown when they started hearing about the Hotel Beacon. But once the Irish guests started staying here, they found out that it is so convenient to get to and from anywhere in New York from the Upper West Side. We're located 2 blocks away from the number 1, 2, and 3 train, the 2 and 3 being the express train that the first stop is 42nd Street. The second stop is 34th Street, right below Macy's, which I swear every Irish guest goes to at least once or twice on their visits to New York. So they find it very easy to get around from our location. And what they like about it is that at the end of the day, they leave the madness of Lower Manhattan or Midtown Manhattan and come back to a neighborhood that's more relaxing and calmer.